All right, boys and girls, this is the next trick. The way they're going to try to trap you, trick you with perimeter. You're not going to fall for this. Some kids might. I didn't even actually see this in our chapter, but it happened all the time in 4th grade. And this is what they'll try to do. They will give you some measurements, like this will be 6 feet. And let's see, this will be 4 feet, and then this right here will be 2 feet. And then they'll say, okay, find the perimeter. This is where you need to really first use your highlighter so you can figure out which ones they've already labeled. So I'm going to use my highlighter and say, okay, this little thing right here is 2 feet. And this whole giant thing over here is 4 feet. This whole giant thing is 6 feet. Okay, and then they might give you like one more. They'd say, okay, so this is 2 feet down here. So here's the thing. Did they give you all the sides? No, they didn't. So this is where it gets a little bit more difficult. Let's find the one they didn't. They didn't give us this one. So what you do is you kind of move that one in, and that would go here. Now let's look. 2 plus some mysterious number is going to equal the same as this whole thing. If only we knew 2 plus some mysterious number equals that whole thing. Do you see we're trying to find equals? So what's this? This little thing right here? Well, that's going to be 2 feet. And then look, boys and girls, if this little thing right here is 2 feet, it's a rectangle. So out here, that is going to be 2 feet. So you have to use your highlighter to figure out the sides that you know, and then you have to find the missing sides. And it's the same thing where you've got to look in there and kind of find a missing rectangle, okay? So let's look at this. They give you 6 feet. So man, if this whole thing went all the way out, this would be 6 feet, right? This whole thing would be 6 feet. But they said, nope, from here to here is 2. So we've got 2 plus some mysterious number together equals 6. So what could that mysterious number be? You figured it out. It's going to be a 4. So now we also have this side. Once we have all sides, perimeter, you add all sides, now we can add. So let's make sure we have it. We're going to start with a 4 feet plus 6 feet. Notice I'm touching them again. Plus 2 feet, because I don't want to miss a side. Plus 4 feet, down, plus 2 feet, and now I'm back to the beginning. Plus 2 feet. All right, 10 plus 6 plus 4. 10 plus 6 plus 4. Guess what that gives us? 20. 20 what? 20 pickles? No, 20 feet. These are the most challenging when they give you a weird shape and you're actually trying to find the rectangles and just use that opposite side rule. First trick, they'll only give you 2. Second trick, they'll give you a weird shape and you've got to do math to figure out the missing ones. Don't fall for those 2 perimeter tricks. You guys are smarter than that. You can do this. We're going to practice on a rotation.